Hey, sanibona engaza kwethu makhanya lo okwamakhanya umfana bathi ubuntu mabande bakwethu. Mana ngiza nendaba. Walazi udaba. Izinto. Yes. Akeke siphendule undonga. Kwale inkosi. General Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. KZN Commissioner. Provincial Commissioner uthi i-march and march kanye namanye ama-civic organization that are fighting to protect iNatal noma to protect South Africa from inflooded illegal foreigners. Uthi uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, South Africans must not take the law into their own hands. Ake senze sona ke sincede undonga kwale nkosi baba Mkhwanazi baba wemfowethu. Ake sikuncedelana wendonga ithinto uthi wena ake siqale la emagameni akho uthi wena kufanele mabebona i-unlawful thing kufanele bayi-report kuma officials aka SAPS. Ake siqale lapho ke silungise wendonga usukela July waya ku National TV usukela waya ku National TV uyo reporter i-crime that has been done by SAPS and their officials and senior officials working along with drug cartels. Why? It is because it was not easy to take the things or the cases to the police. Same Ndonga uthi citizen must take the same thing that ekuhlulile wena ukuyenza uthabayise to the same police that are corrupt even today. Siqeda kuzwa manje ususpended provincial commissioner wala eMpumalanga uthi uMr Fani Masimula kwasha kwacima indaba ka5 million asazi kwenzakaleni. Uthi if hayi mandonga mana wo awukwazi ukutshela ama-South African ukuthi akenzeni ibe lento wena njengo-provincial commissioner ikuhlulile. And number 2, awukwazi ndonga ukuthi uthi wena kuma-South Africans our report the same police that are working with those drug people that are turning our kids and brothers into drug addict, because the same police are eating with those people, illegal foreigners. So you can't tell us ukuthi ut has reported into that is on a public domain ukuthi these people are inflated, and you can't claim ukuthi people abanjenge match and match batargeta batargeta our black brothers from outside the country. Ilakho lesebenzisana match and match ne MK iyaye itolo zamandiya nama China nabelungu ungizwe bese sitolo sama China namandiya. What uphakala umthakathi awukwazi ukukhuluma into ongenama fact ngayo ndonga. You are well respected. Akhona amavidiyo kaphakela umthakathi vakashela ama China nama Khalad namandi. Just because ukuthi umuntu omnyama uzothatha ipropaganda Mr Ndonga spread ukujabulisa izitha. It's not gonna work. And whatever ndonga that ofuna ukuyi-achieve with whatever that meeting ozobuyenzile ne-match and match or nama-civic organization or nabo ngizwe nabo phakela umthakathi, better bear in mind ukuthi South Africans are in charge now. With your police or no police, South Africans are in charge. Kubeke landonga la behind your medulla oblongata ukuthi South Africans are in charge. So uma bebona ukuthi izelwabo sesezandleni zabantu bokufika, you can't tell them ukuthi wena ba verify those documents. Was kahle ukuthi imachine yalama okwenziwa lama document othi wa verify i-Home Affairs ithathe le machine yayinikeza ama-illegal foreigners ukuthi bazenzele ama-document. Uyazi ukuthi the same people othi wena bakufanele ba-verify lamaphepha i the same people abathengisa lamaphepha i-Department of Home Affairs. So you can't ndonga. If I were you, I was not gonna comment on this. I was gonna keep quiet because it's a very sensitive matter. That's my advice. Department of Labor is corrupt. Department of Home Affairs is corrupt. Ithi SIU. Ithi Department of Home Affairs are the problem of our country, are the problems that benze ukuthi sibe nalezi inkinga ongizwa abazilwayo ophakela umthakathi abazilwayo. Iphumele report SIU ikhiphile. Why ndonga wenza ngazuthi awuyibukanga i-report ye SIU? Lezi zinto abakubuza zona yizinto bekufanele uthathe kuyi-report ye SIU awuri kwayona SIU awuyithembi. And utshela ama South African ndonga ukuthi awaye ku SAPS yona wena le ongayithembi. If mhlawumbe uthe hayi banike mina njengondonga because South Africa ithemba mina and thina bekunikeza indawo ukuthi sibafuna behambile angeke ukhona ndonga kumanje unelinye ijoka lomsebenzi olithathile la national. So manje uthi why uthi abantu abeze emaphoyiseni kwawena lamaphoyisa akuhlulile wazi wabiza ithangamza beindaba ukureport ubugebengu obenzakala kunemadla anga commission. It's because of something that you have reported. Ekuhlulile ukuyireporta internal emaphoyiseni ogqoka nawe same uniform, but you are forcing our people to go to the same police that are well corrupted by the same people that are feeding our people drugs. No, kuleyo ndonga kwale nkosi ngizokuhlaba ngihlabekisa uzosusa impi nodweshu ongeke uzukhona ukulumela wena with your men in blue, the one that are corrupt, owaziyo wena ukuthi are corrupt. Nawe kuhlulile ukuthi ureport. Hayi waye undonga ngakhona ngokureporta internal akhulume nobheka wabona mos ukuthi ucorrupt lapha na ku men in blue. Undonga uya ku national TV uthi kubo kufanele ukuthi abantu ba report lezi zinto emaphoyiseni amaphoyisa enza umsebenzi. Muphi umsebenzi? Usho same police that are taking money from those people. Ucanta amaphoyisa wazi ukuthi imishini yokwenza amaphepha abantu bokufika aseyindlini zabantu bokufika. Uma sithi ndonga labantu abahambe njengama South African asithi siyabaxosha because sixosha ndiya, sixosha mlungu, sixosha khaladi, sixosha Zimbabwe, Mozambique and Nigeria. Sithi sifuna ukudila nosopolitiki bethu ndonga. Laba osopolitiki bavika ngabo. So asifuni ukuthi wena futhi nawe siphazanyiswe nguwe kanye namaphoyisa akho because le mpindonga ofakaza phekwayo ukuyivimba kuzoba ncane. Why ngisho njalo ndonga? Ubonile East London alikho iphoyisa likhona ukuvimba that tsunami ye war. That is why ngithi even shokuthiwa nihendlisha indaba kaJesinta uphakela umthakathi ungizwe ofele emntwini nabanye abavikela lelizwe kofanele nihendlishe kahle ngoba uma ingake izwakala ukuthiwa nina nitageta laba abantu abalelizwe ndonga I'm telling you uyothatha ivideo yami uyilalela ukuthi only if salalela sikhuzwa because nawe namanje mhlambe bayasho labo abakhuza ukuthi ke lana ubugebengu ube kuthiwa balalela imadlanga commission ingaka establishwa na ungakayi national TV uyobika lobu bugebengu nabo yindlela ndonga abasebenza ngayo ukutheklela i-corruption eyenziwa i-Home Affairs ne Department of Labor kanye no government na politicians wethu. Yona ndlela abanayo le ndonga ukudila nale mess eyenziwa osopolitiki. Benze njani? Ufuna bayephi ndonga? Because kwanawe awuna solution kule nto enziwe osopolitiki. What my advice I can tell you ndonga ukuthi focus on your work. Bayeke laba benza umsebenzi wezwe. Phuma kulaba abantu ndonga benza umsebenzi wezwe. Ufocus ekubambeni igebengu ezenza ama heist nama drug cartels. That's my advice to you. Other than that, you will find yourself in the wrong hands of South Africans. Because once South Africans they write you off, I'm telling you wish ukuthi ngabe uthathe retirement early. That's a friendly advice ndonga. Uzosibonga kusasa uthi siyabonga ukuthi benikhona mfoka makhanya nisikhuza and sangakhuzeka or sakhuzeka na that is why namhlanje sithatha umhlala phansi ukahle nokuthula. Ama South African akulwele ndonga. Awuzokwazi ukukhuluma into eyikhuluma public so. Akulwele ama South African and asho ukuthi lizosha uma kungenze kungabuyela emsebenzini. And bowazi wena lizosha. So wenze ngathi awazi, bewazi akutshela la ku social media ukuthi lizosha if undonga akawuthola umsebenzi wakhe back. Sisamdinga enza umsebenzi. And utholile usunomunye national usukhuluma lento eyikhulumayo ndonga. Zibheke ndoda ukuthi ukhuluma kanjani. Ama South African law walidayo. And sithembele kuwe. Awenze okufanele ukwenza. Uvikele izwi yeke lento yakho kube emenemene.